Hello, my name is Lina Archibald. Welcome to my studio, Lina Archibald Textile Art and Design, and to my online school, online felt making school, Felt with Lina. I'm inviting you to my 4 days felt making bootcamp or masterclass to create together scarves like this. It is free. It is my way to say thank you for all your support in past 8 months. And I would love to give a gift of so many techniques in this small but smart scarf. Our masterclass or bootcamp will start in November, mid of November. I'm planning 17th of November, and I will confirm exact date in my newsletter. If you would like to join, there is a button to sign up. It's free, where you will find materials, tools and materials preparation to be ready for this masterclass. What we're going to do? We're going to create this scarf. This is small but smart scarf. What are you going to learn? You're going to look and learn and create fine felt, fine textured felt. You will learn few different types of textures here. You will create beautiful tassels. You will learn how to make these tassels fast. I heard many times, too much work to make these tassels. It does not need to be. Yes, tassels require time, but with right tools, right attitude, taking breaks, perhaps adding gin and tonic or cup of tea, or making together with friends, it's enjoyable. As a bonus, you will get tutorial how to make these fancy roses as a brooch or attached to the scarf. Who this class for? I invite everyone. If you've never felt it, why don't you join us and learn through process of felt making? I'm going to share many tips, many good habits, how to avoid mistakes. If you experience felt maker, I am sure you will find some of techniques of my tips useful too, and share your experience, share your tips with other felt makers. It is an opportunity to ask questions, because we are going to create during 4 days how it's going to work. I am going to stream video, then we're going to ask questions, discuss, and you have time to create. Then come back next day. We're going to look through other processes, ask questions, and then you create more. You will have access to this class on your dashboard in my online class. Please look for my newsletters with exact day and exact time. Thank you so much for your attention. All the best. Goodbye. See you soon.